morning. How are you? Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, yeah, it's a fresh start. How was your weekend? Yes. Yeah, good. It was rainy over here, but it was good. Went to the city, did some shopping and that kind of stuff. Yes. Okay, yeah, I saw it in the cinema here also. Yeah, I don't know. Not been that, not done that yet. So yeah, yeah. I mean, seems to be a really nice movie.
Sorry, on YouTube, I had you muted. Um, so yeah, let's take a look at GJ. So first things first, actually, we can look at weekly as well if you fancy it. So weekly, um, last weekly candle closed bullish. Overall, we're very, very bullish. So buys are the overall bias, really. Already at the moment, taking a look at the daily candle, it looks like we actually have like a daily W holding support. Okay. But first things first, I mean, look at the resistance. So price was holding this resistance. We've closed above it, which is great. We've also closed above this kind of resistance, which is nice. A very strong candle. So, you know, what would you expect if this was the 30-minute? Well, hopefully it should retest this level here, which is, look, it's already kind of done that. Reflip, break the high, and probably continue and push to the high like this. Either in this today's candle or, you know, two candles, but for the most part, we are bullish, okay? And we do expect that this daily candle should flip and then push, okay? So that is good. Let's leave that there. So yeah, daily flip is there. Take a look then at the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame doesn't really give you much, to be honest with you, apart from the fact that we got a big push up, closed above, had a little bit of a retracement, closed bullish again, and now we're just hovering with the range at the start of this week. Let's just add this one on now. So the 4 hours coming up right now, as you can see, about to really break the previous 4-hour high, which is a good sign. Obviously, if a good celery to continue. Take a look then at the hourly time frame and the 30-minute time frame. So the hourly, yeah, there's a little bit of resistance here. This is where I've rejected that level. So let me just write that on here. Yeah, that matches up with there pretty easily. This. So yeah, I mean, there's a resistance. We tapped it before. That's what we're holding right now, which is at 182,500. Take a look then at the lower time frames in the 30. Yeah, so you can see that we did make some support through Asian session. Right around 181,850. Okay, we're bouncing off 182, which is another sign, you know, of not taking any sells. Right, we're holding 182, and yeah, right now we're pushing up, which is a good sign. And yeah, look at the resistance here. Let's take a look to the left hand side and see how we could maybe deal with this. So I saw there's little rejection wicks here, so I can see that there's some rejection, a little bit of resistance there, rejection, and then, you know, a little bit of level here, which held support. So from my analysis, I can see that there's a clearly quite a big level if I just draw it here. Okay, if you look at those arrows, this is the line that's getting respected from both downside and upside. So here we held it as support, here we held it as resistance. Okay, if we are above that line, if we close above that line, so if now we can maybe use a body on here, okay, what do we have? Well, we pushed up bullish and pushed all the way up to 183, 124. We did the same thing here. We did the same thing here. So realistically, if we close above 182, 650, with our knowledge that the daily candle should be pushing bullish and continuing, we can maybe take a trade from 182, 650 and then continue to push to 183 flat. Right around that area. You can maybe do it a bit more lower like this, but I think anywhere in this area is okay. To continue, this is a bit of a fake out, so I'd rather put it here. And then you measure the zone. Is the zone big enough? Well, yeah, the zone's 43 pips. So there we go. So this is the resistance that's held right now, but there is a lot of traffic, you know, 14 pips after. But I think once we get a closure above this level, we are going to be good. So if I just put on here now like this, buys above 182,647, like this. Okay, that's great. So buys of 182,647, you can see it's going to be there, so that's fine. In the meantime, what could you have done? I mean, maybe you could look for some support there, but let's see how the 5 minutes looked. Yeah, it's had a little bounce off, but that's okay. So yeah, I think for the most part now, just got to make sure that we wait for 640 for me, and then we're going to be Gucci for that. Okay. In terms of sales, as I say, I'm not bearish in the slightest until we really change either big structure for the downside and retrace to then continue bearish. So for the most part, I am bullish here. Okay. So yeah, pretty simple on GJ here. We just got to wait. Daily candle's about to flip, which is good. So yeah, very simple. I'm trying to think of any other way you could maybe get in a little bit earlier on. How big is this range from there to there? 12 pips. Not the greatest. But yeah, that's kind of how I would do it. Yeah, it's audible. Yeah, sorry guys, I had him on mute for a second there. So yeah, that's GJ for us. Let's take a look then at Goldie. Let's take a look at Goldie. So same thing again. Let's just go through that. Same thing. So the daily candle over here. Well, let's take a look at the weekly actually. So the weekly closed bullish. Okay, that's fine. So still closed bullish. Did reject quite a lot of the zone. It was a weak bullish closure, but it still closed bullish nevertheless. In terms of the daily candle, yeah, I mean, what I can see is that we have made a support from the zone that we discussed all the way down here, which is a very, very, very strong level at 1900. We pushed back up, we came to then more resistance here, and now we're respecting resistance at 1980. Okay, so the daily candle is clearly not in zones for pushes. This is the zone that I really want for the big drive in here. Okay, so it's still not there yet, that's just fine. And it looks like right now the daily candle has just came back down to previous daily support. But for the most part, we made a low, we pushed up, we retraced, we pushed back up, we retraced, we pushed up, we retraced. So still bullish in terms of overall structure. The last candles have closed bearish though. We've had 4 daily bearish closes. So again, it's not really the easiest in terms of direction. So let me just put on this daily flip. So right now the daily is bearish. Hasn't broken the low or anything, which is okay. Take a look then at the 4-hour time frame. What are the 4 hours shows me? Well, these candles are very, very small right now, showing a lack of volume, maybe a bit of consolidation, which you can see, is true. Just do this here. Let me move this 4-hour on like that. But what I can see from the 4-hour time frame really is, again, this has been happening quite a lot, right? Overall, as I said, we are stepping up. We're stepping up, we're stepping up, we're stepping up. And overall here, we broke above this zone and we're just retesting right now. So it's a good level for gold to bounce off. Okay. But then obviously in the lower price in terms of recent times, we made a high here. We came down, we retested, we came down. So we could, maybe retest, continue still bearish. So it's a very, very big level here. We've got to see if it's going to hold this level. If so, then, you know, the buys maybe later on would be okay. But right now, looking at the hourly time frame, you know, what am I seeing here? Well, I'm seeing very small candles, very bad wicks, no consistency, pretty hard price action here, okay? So, not the nicest, okay? Because look here, look. Bullish, bearish, 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 doji, bullish, bearish, bullish. You know, so many wicks. Not really the nicest, but it was the end of the week. That's fine. Going to the 30-minute time frame now, you can see, yeah, you know, we are just consolidating here pretty hard to kind of analyze it any other way. But looking like we've got a bit of support in 1959. Okay, and then this, in terms of resistance, is quite hard. Because as I said again, the price is action so painful here, but you know, you have resistance at 1965, and we're just consolidating in this zone really. So yeah, I mean, you know, we are at support. If you find, you know, a good W that makes sense with a good strong support around this area, then you could maybe look to take the buys. Take a look at the 15. How could you go about taking this? Yeah, so there's already rejection wicks here before. Quite a lot of rejection wicks here as well. So I think in terms of taking sells, we'll do sells first. Sells are going to be obviously so much better when we come below this level here, 1948. Okay, if you come below like 1948, again, we've got a wick to fill first. But then we've got a nice zone to go fill all the way back down to at least 1940, okay? Yeah. So this zone here is obviously going to be very, very clean to push down to. Take a look on the 15. Is there anything? Yeah, there's maybe a little bit of a fake out there. So you could maybe look to close below 1947. But we'll see depending on how the 30 closes. I still think, you know, if you start breaking structure there, we're good. Because, again, look at the 4 hour, right? Have you, if you look at the 4 hour and we're stepping up here, we shouldn't really be breaking this low, okay? We shouldn't be breaking this low here because that's the next, you know, higher low. So if you do break that, then the sells are good, and again, the zone below is very clean. So yeah. So let me just go here. Just add this on like this. What happened to you on Friday, bro? Oh God, I was not in a good way. Not in a good way. 1943.5. Okay, beautiful stuff. So yeah, if you get below that, you've got a wick fill, which is like 25 pips anyway, and then obviously continuation. So yeah, very, very nice. I'll keep the little line there just so you to know to go break even. Let's make this maybe a little bit larger. Okay, so yeah, this is kind of how we're set out, which is great. And now we've got to be patient, okay? For the sells, they're much further down, as I've said. I'm not really too asked about the sells at the moment because we are at such a big support level. And then buys, where could you look to take buys? Where could you look to take buys? Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, so I mean, you know, back above 1965, can maybe go retest 1969. We started closing maybe back above here. Obviously, there is rejection wicks, but again, those rejection wicks are, yeah, 19-20 pips, which is not bad. So I think potentially you can get above 1966, and then you can get a push. Because again, look what we always talk about. You know, we haven't broken below this. So we've broken below this level yet, and we haven't retested. So it's a good magnet. So I think if you do want to get into gold buys earlier, I think buys you could potentially do above here. 1966.34 to then continue to 1969. And obviously furthermore to fill up this next range, which is 973. Okay? So there we go. Pretty good. Pretty good. And we'll see what we can get over here. Yeah, looking pretty easy in terms of the days. In terms of higher time frames, it all makes sense really, especially on GJ. Goldie's maybe a little bit hard at the moment, but just need to remember how it works, right? If we're at a big level of a retest, like on the 4 hour, you know, you got to see how it reacts here because it's just breaking and retesting. So yeah, break down Euro JPY, bro. Could do, I suppose. Nah, to be fair, I'm not doing Euro JPY. There's too much news. 8:15 French manufacturing, then 8:30 German, 9 o'clock flash manufacturing for the whole of Euro. And then, yeah, we've got manufacturing for 9:30 for pound as well. So, a little bit of news this morning. Well, this whole day, really, just flash manufacturing. But yeah, we do have FOMC this week, which is on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. So, that'll be interesting to say the least. We'll see what we can get there. But yeah, went through last trades last week, which was good. Nice flower trade actually on gold on Friday. That was nice. I saw that one. That was good stuff. And yeah, we'll see what we can get today. How's everyone in the chat? What are we looking at? Let's take a look who's here. Andrea's here. Morning, Andrea. Hope you're doing well. Good morning. Good morning. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at on GJ. What are you thinking, Koji, on GJ? I think it looks good to continue bullish. It's just gotta get past this little res. All good, not expecting much from London. Yeah, it's looking quite slow. What time is it now? Yeah, it's just about to turn 7 o'clock. Goldie is really not one to move at the moment, just hovering around 1960. Yeah, has anyone seen Oppenheimer yet? Who's seen it in the chat? There must be someone. Anyone seen the movie? Banger movie, ooh. Very nice. Watched it last night. Yeah. I'll go watch that today. Late at night. Has anyone seen that Barbie thing? Apparently it was quite like just dicking on men as usual. Yeah, shock. So all these movies are about at the moment. Let's take a look here. Yeah, I'll wait for Goldie to find his direction, or we should be good. Morning, Max. Good morning. How do you manage risk when you're in a losing trade? Well, moving stop loss to previous candles, because you know if you're in a buy, you really obviously expect that each candle breaks the high and not the low. So, yeah, if you know that, let me just turn this down a little bit so I can actually hear. So yeah, if you know that bullish structure, let's go over here, right? If you know that bullish structure is all about candles closing and breaking highs of previous, okay, then if you are taking a trade based on the fact that you know that this is bullish structure, then the way to manage is when things aren't doing that, aren't going away. So for example, if you have a 30-minute candle closing, let's just say you got into a buy like right here, okay, and then the next candle over here, you know, breaks the high and maybe closes bearish like this. Okay, it's not looking too good. Okay, you'd really wanted this candle to close strongly bullish, but don't fret, don't get annoyed about it, and just close maybe straight away. What you can potentially do is, a lot of the time, some candles like to pull back, and a lot of the time actually the next candle can open, okay, break the low, retrace back up, stop pushing, and then you can maybe get a celery in the break of the high. So what I normally tend to do in that case is wait for this candle to open. When it starts making a top wick and starts pushing back up, then I'll move my stop loss from there to there. And then that's how you reduce your stop. And then you're still in the trade if it makes a celery. So if it breaks that high, then obviously your trade's good again and you should be fine, because you'll be doing bullish structure again, closing above. But for the most part, you won't be getting in. So for the most part, you'll be managing if it then re-breaks that low, because it shouldn't re-break that low. It'll just push down. So yeah, you can do that, either trailing them. You can then also know, like, if you're taking a buy, let's just say a closure above. If it closes back in the zone, then you can maybe be a bit more aggressive. If it's a zone that you really want it to close with and it closes strongly bearish back in the zone, then you can just get out. There's so many different ways. You can look at the 15-minute to get more of a tighter stop. There's loads of different ways to manage. You just got to find the one that's comfortable for you. So yeah. Most hyped movie in India in 2023. Oh wow. What rating has it got? 8.8. Wow. Do they have Isaac Newton in there? I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know Isaac Newton was around quite recently. I thought he was ancient. I didn't think he was around. Especially the World War. Wow. So GJ obviously just came up. It's just tapped an order block here. So that's why it's having some rejection here. And that's why I couldn't really get in. You couldn't really get in here. Einstein, not Newton. I would like to see support on the 5-10 at that 15 celery retest. Yeah. Oh, here? Like there? Yeah. Because we stepping up, retesting here. Yeah. See how it reacts. It's got 182 there as well, so it should really hold. If it wanted to go up today, 182, big psychological level, shouldn't really go below that. No flower bottom wick. Yeah, then the flower did close bearish, so just making a top wick. We'll see. But yeah, if you're looking for buys and GJ, you just remember, if you can get in, if you can try and get in earlier, lower, you could maybe go in there to get the push. But when you come to this high now, it's too risky at the moment. You've got to wait. Some more confidence. Could you have taken that 30 celery there? Good rejection. Did it have a W on the 5? Yeah, it kind of did. Not bad, not bad. So yeah, we get paid to wait. So wait. Last week was okay. We took that Monday trade, was a good trade. In terms of Friday, yeah, we got caught in maybe getting in a bit too late. But overall, good stuff. Recently, I've just been, yeah, June and July have been wild for me, man. Hopefully we can get some more consistency. In terms of trades that I should manage and ones that I shouldn't manage, I think, is the main thing. The one on Friday, we did hit a little icy, so I should have maybe gone break even here. Not on Friday, sorry, on Thursday. Was that on Goldie here? Yeah. I got in on the break at the high there. A little bit too late, it looks like. A little bit too late. But we discussed, on the 10-minute time frame, there was a better entry down there. But discuss that on the weekly outlook, so that'll be good. I'm in gold buys 1959 holding strong. Ooh. Very nice. 1959. Yeah, I don't know. There's still no direction yet. You know, it's still. I know it is holding it, is holding the support, but it's a little bit choppy, my man. Well, not a little bit. It's very choppy. Very choppy. There's a good little push down on GG. But I think, yeah, 182,600 would be great for us to get to 183. And then obviously that would go with our daily analysis. That would make a lower wick. We flip, we push to 640. So we'll see that. We'll see that. Let's put this here. I woke up early and saw GJ closing above 182, so I entered close half at the 4-hour high. Very nice. Very, very nice. And yeah, like anywhere in this area for sells can be maybe a little bit sore. You can maybe get a sell from 181,780 to get down to 181,380. We'll have to wait and see. Caden's gone back to Ireland to go see her fam for a bit, so I'm home alone. Keep myself busy. I'm gonna give it a good clean on this flat. So yeah, I can see here now Goldie's already dipping. So it's just be a little bit cautious in terms of getting into buys, maybe a little bit too early. If you do actually push down, we should really get to like 1955. 4 hours just broken previous low. The daily candles coming below. I just don't like the wicks. The wicks are a little bit painful, if I'm honest. There's a lot of wicks here, right at 9:59. Doesn't that mean you're holding a fat party? Absolutely no way. The whole weekend was a party. That was like a summer. It was like a summer party for the gaff. It was nice. But no, I'm partied out. Hell no. Hell no. Oh yeah, do you know that channel that my mate's done? He's doing really well. Look, just got monetized. Look at these views. Last two things, 63,000. That's sick. So that's pretty cool. I like that. See, this is what I said. I said to people, just start a little channel, something that you enjoy. You know, learn how to edit, and he's already got monetized, and now he'll be making a little bit of money from this. And only, you know, just push a little bit of effort into the editing side, and you've got a good video. So GJ's reacted off that quite well, eh? Nice little reaction on GJ. Yeah, there could be areas to get in that into this GJ if you wanted to get just a drive, but obviously you could just go break even quite quick. But I think for me, I want to wait just a little bit higher. It's like 40 pips away. If you're really keen for it, I mean, you could maybe look until above 350. Get a little push to 460, but again, you are coming towards just major res. Needs to get past this, then we'll be good. Playing some Dead by Daylight last night. My God, the game is just too fun, man. It's too scary. I'm like screaming. Wow, look at this. So Goldie coming down over here. Start his day off with a little bearish structure. Again, though, just be careful with how bearish this is. I mean, you know, look how much support there is there. There's just so much support. It's very, very hard to trade, I'd say, at the moment, Goldie. In terms of zones, it's pretty hard to find it. So now we're starting to come back into that zone, starting to not hold that retest. So sells definitely look a little bit better at the moment. To potentially drive the 4 hour really here. If you look at the 4 hour, it should theoretically now fill this candle here. Can you see to mirror like this candle? So we'll see the next like 30 closure. Again, it's a lot of rejection wicks. So it's just rejection wicks are hard, especially, you know, rejection wicks are okay when you have volume because they fill the wicks, but when it doesn't have much volume or direction, it's quite hard to see if it's gonna push or not. Did anyone see the Oppenheimer in the 70 mil? Did anyone see it in like the actual 70 mil? I really want to do that, but I think there's only one in like Manchester. Just take a look at the one near me. Let's take a look. So we got like 45 minutes left for this hourly and 8 o'clock to come. See if we can maybe poke out of this zone. Alright, let's take a look. Yeah, that guy, Christopher Nolan, said he would never do a superhero movie again. Like, what? Let's do that 1 second. So as you can see already, kind of get the rejection again. Yeah, not the easiest on Goldie there at the moment. Dennis, how was your week last week, brother? What did you hit?
Man, it was good. Very nice.
Very tasty.
Yeah. Make a lot of profit.
Yeah. Great job, man. Is that your best week so far? Have you had better ones, or how did it?
Not with Forex. This was my, I think, second week. When I started with Forex.
Beautiful, brother.
I did some crypto trading before.
Yeah.
A couple of years now, and with Forex is a different story.
Have you ever seen the real interview with him after they bombed Japan? It's on YouTube. He's in tears. Oh, I haven't. Yeah, I might have to watch like a bit more of the history so I know what's going on. Because apparently it's a little bit confusing at the start, like if you don't really know what's going on. Goal rejected. Yeah, still holding. Still holding. Yeah, the candle's a little bit small at the moment. So the 15 just closed and it closed above, right? It's still respecting. Yeah, the issue with taking a buy here with like no like W formation or like a good support is that you don't know where to put your stop. Like where are you gonna put your stop here? The lower wick of like that one? It's hard. Max, would you say 5-minute fake out on gold? Yeah, but that isn't your confirmation to take a buy. I don't think yet, because you actually just broke above from this level and you're just retesting. So it's, you know, try not to think too much about like the lower time. Like a fake out on the 5-minute is so like, you know, all it could be doing is just pulling up to then close back below. 15 still holding, but everything is still bearish at the moment, right? So just try and put yourself in a position that, you know, makes life much easier. For example here, right, daily's bearish, 4 hours bearish, hourly's bearish, 30 minutes bearish, 50 minutes bearish. Okay, so it's still not really raring to go for buys yet. You got to wait for a little bit more to go. You got to wait for a celery. You got to wait for, you know, a couple more things. You gotta wait for it to hold really, because right now it's still bearish. Like same thing goes for GJ here. You know, buys should be really looked at the moment, not really sells at the moment, because there's nothing on your side. The more time frames you have on your side, you know, the easier to trade. So we'll see. Looking like GJC is gonna flip up, break the high. Damn, last 2 months was hard for Max, I guess. Well, I haven't been here for a lot of them, but yeah, just trying to get into some of these other moves that I'm taking L's on, which I normally wouldn't be. You know, my win rate's normally not bad. It's just adapting to a new thing. I said last week, you know, a couple of the trades. There was a GJ1 on Monday, which I should have maybe held and not gone break even too quick. Which was yeah, like this one here. I got into a buy like there. Sorry, there. Stop loss below. This ran 100 and something pips, but wicked me out by 1 pip again. That could have been a Monday. That could have been a Monday day, which is about 6-7%. And I know a lot of people think Dennis took this buy as well and it held on, which is great. So it's close, you know. It's just getting there. It takes time to just refine things. And yeah. Celery on the 15 on GJ. Yeah, I think it's going into res can be rough, man. But you could maybe try and get the break, the high, get maybe a push to this 6 pips, and then yeah, it'd be good. Yeah, went out on what day was it? Saturday. And yeah, it was alright, and I'm not starting to not really enjoy going out no more. It's more of a bane than not, to be honest. It's just haram. Like you look around, everyone's just wasted. People are crying. It's like, oh my god, man. Like, so many people just crying on the weekend. It's like not good, man. So yeah, I'm gonna take some time off there. 100%. Not really fun no more. Yeah, I saw people in the chat waiting on Friday. Like, where is he? And then they'd be negative again. They're getting vexed. Oh my god. Some people gotta chill. So 10 minutes left for another 3-minute candle to close. See where that closes, but Again, still just waiting on. GJ Friday was clean. Yeah, we pushed up nice, eh? How could I have got in? Let's take a look. So we're at support down here. What time was it down there? Yeah, it was Asian. Yeah, this closure there was nice. So I probably had this resistance like this. Closes above there, you get a nice drive to at least 181, 160, and then furthermore you got one to go retest this order block. So yeah, I mean the trade on GJ on Fridays. This closure below low wick flip break at the high, stop loss below like that. 25 pips for first TP, TP 263, and then TP 4 to be in, yeah, probably at the highs up here, like 100. So yeah, it wasn't bad, bad at all. Would you take a W here if it forms one on Goldie? Yeah, potentially. We'll see, because I just don't like this price action, you know. It looks like the W would form like there. So yeah, we'll see. The only issue with the W right there is that it's got a lot of resistance there. So we'll see. I don't really like gold, to be honest with you, right? The price action's pretty choppy on it. It's not my favorite. Just need some more direction, I think, at the moment. But good reaction, still holding. Just look at these strong candles pushing up, which is nice. Is GJ gonna go for round 2 over here? 7 minutes left for this closure. This will be an interesting closure. Did you find a way to get in, Andrea, or not? Yeah. It was a nice little retest. I think maybe an earlier move could be above 360. Do you know what caused the big push on GJ Friday morning? There was no news. No, I don't. Yeah, pushed pretty hard. What time is that? Right at 8:30. There is news, orange folder. That was at 7 a.m. though, so we pushed later on. Retail sales though were good, 0.7 better. Forecast was 0.2, so quite positive there. Hello, sir. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu malam. Is that what you say? Is that what you say back? I don't even know what you say back. Do 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 do. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, it's not driving yet. You just don't want to be caught in the range, man, if it doesn't push. Gold 5-minute salary after super was decent. The soup. Yeah. It's just not very nice. I know it's pushing up here. It's still holding. Again, there's maybe a 5-minute W coming, but I'm gonna wait. You know, I don't want to put myself in a position where I get caught in this range because it's still pretty choppy here. Good reaction though. It's a good sign. That's still holding support. The price action is just a little bit. Ugh. Nope. Straight past today. You can see how these hourly candles for the bearish have been so small. You know, you just need one big bullish candle and you'll be guns away. So if you're looking to take the W, 37 pip stop you could do there. Maybe you could do the fake out, so maybe move your stop to like 30 pips. We will see. So now she came back to resistance, as I said. So interesting to see how this 30-minute closes. If it closes above all here, then yeah, looks good for the start of the day. Just a little bit too early though at the moment. Please GU analysis. Make sure you send me them in Discord, man. Just go and join Discord, sign up to it. It's free, and then yeah, put your chart in here. Ooh, that was nice. So I'm going on the wick fill to go retest. Very good. Getting the drive down. I like. So yeah, if you join the Discord, just put your chart in here. We can take a look, see what you potentially see on GU, and then we can discuss. You can discuss it, boy. Right, I'm gonna quickly go to the toilet. But yeah, looking like we're still early on. Only a Monday. Remember that. A lot of news coming towards the start of this day, so don't you worry. 2 minutes. Where's the music? Wait, I don't have it. Maybe it's just really quiet. No, you should be able to, it should be on. Can you guys hear it now?
Yes.
Yeah. Zoom's always got weird music problems, man. It's too loud on my side, but then it's you can't hear it on yours. So can you see here, push up again, came to resistance rejected. This is why I'm not really too interested in this gold yet. It's just in this consolidation here. Do 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 do. Be a man and take it. What, take the goldie? So yeah, GJ over here goes bearish. Still respecting that resistance. That's what I say. Brian's in the building. Five three. What the fuck? How is this game 5-3? That Cole Palmer's sick. Oh. Go, 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 goal.
Anyone else a coffee?
Yeah, I might go get a coffee. Got some new pods. Yeah, I'll go get one. I'll go get one. Alright, get that warmed up on the mug. London is so boring lately, isn't it? It's the lack of volume, eh? It's been moving to NYSE and later on in the day. Much later on. Yeah, it's got a long way to go for me to look at trades, but we'll see. If not, it should set itself up for NY, which should be nice. The news will do something. Yeah, what time is this? 8:15. Yeah, NYC gold closures always been not too bad recently. Like the one on Friday was good. So yeah, in 8 o'clock I need to ring up the doctors. Actually need to get this acid reflux sorted out. So I'll do that. So yeah, look at this hourly, man. Closed bullish. Did close at resistance though and just rejected it. That's a that's a Jägermeister. Nah, it's from a holiday as well, man. My body just can't take it. It's been for a while as well. I need to get it sorted out 'cause it could be a big issue. Do 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 do. Yeah, I think a lot of people recently in the group have taken off London. They've just left it. Wait until later on everyone comes alive. But it just changes, man. Changes consistently. I'm ready, gold. Come on, move. It changes every 3 weeks, yeah. Just completely flips on an axis, right? There's so much volume in London, then it just disappears. Goes to NY. Oh, Calvin Phillips is on the pitch. The most common thing between my girlfriend and gold is both loves to play with my emotions. I don't know why City sell Mahrez. I know, man. He's going off to Saudi, eh? Hey, bro. Hello, my man. Hope you're doing well. What up, Max? Hope you had a sick weekend. Happy training to all this weekend. You too, Moro, my man. Hopefully it goes well for you too. Waiting for this whole week to start, really. Even Asian session really just ranged. That was sloppy, that. Why is no one marking him, man? Oh. Hope God continues to guide and protect you, bro. Cheers, my man. Cheers, brother. Yeah, that was a nice move on Friday. How much did it push? Yeah, 200 pips. Wow. 200 smackaroonies. Morning, Max. Morning, BMZ. Hope you're doing well, man. Yeah, GJ just retesting this level here. I got 8 pips on that Friday GJ move. Good job, George. Yeah, it was nice, man. Push nice. It was very good. How was your weekend? It was good, man. Yeah, I did a lot of fun stuff. Caitlin's friends, it was good stuff. I enjoyed it. Last week, traveling the globe after being away for 30 months. Looking forward to getting back GMT time zone and getting stuck in. Very nice. Traveling. Yeah, I think a lot of my mates from uni are still traveling around and chilling before they get the grad job, still just chilling about. Prolonging it as much as possible, which is fair enough. I'll probably do the same thing. That's when the real work starts. So got 13 minutes left until London Open. Still real no direction yet at the moment. Still just hovering. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. Make sure to like up that stream. See if we can boost them likes up to get this London moving, eh? I guess your news will give us direction. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, Andrea, I agree. The manufacturer PMI, I don't know why it's consistent as well. Right? Every 50 minutes, it's like another one. Oh my god. Is EJ just ranging as well? A little push up. Yeah, EJ's hard because they're right at the high. Too bullish. I was thinking. Oh yeah, it's tapped it. Hope someone turns up the volume at London Open. It's like a silent disco here, isn't it? My God, it's so slow. We'll see, we'll see. You can turn very quick. Just gotta be patient. It's tapped it. Surprised GJ hasn't corrected this move. Yeah, it's still bullish, man. It's still bullish. Just not got the volume yet. Bitcoin's still at 30,000. Yeah. Oh. Very close to free falling. How's the week looking?
Bitcoin is not so strong at the moment.
No.
No. Looks more a little bit bearish. If you see on the high time frames, it was still bearish.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a little breakout here. But in the monthly.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
35. Yeah, it's hard. I got in a trade last week to hold over the weekend. First time ever. Before closing, spread was 35 pips. Oh my God. Is that the end of the week? $46 open last night. Oh my God. The spread is wild. That's the issue with like holding it over the weekend, man. The spreads can be bad. The slippage when it opens can be bad. Yeah, it's hard holding trades over the weekend. I'd say just close on Fridays. Good morning, Christian.
Good morning, bro. Good morning, guys.
Morning, morning, morning. How was the gym?
Good morning,
Yeah.
Christian.
Yeah. Wow, why is it fucking ranch, bro?
Yeah.
Fun.
It's a big range. Pushing up again. But yeah, it's not nice. Probably later on. We'll wait for NYA. 4-hour closure. Do you take the Friday one?
No. Not trade Friday.
I
Sorry, break even. Break even.
You got break even.
Yeah, yeah.
Did you take this break of the low?
Yes, sell.
Yeah. Mm. Yeah, it's good. Mirror this. I wonder why is that? Can anyone enlighten me why the spreads are so high weekly? Well, because it's not open. Like the spreads just widen because there's no volume because it's closed. They always just widen. Hey Max, hope this month ends on a good note. I know it's been a difficult month, but I know you can end the month in green. Yeah. All just correlates to your own mental health, to be fair. Mine's just been struggling recently for past couple months. Just not been really with it. It's literally the only thing, like, that's a key factor for that, what I think, anyway. How come? I don't know, man. I'm just struggling. I just, yeah, just not feeling the best. And normally I'm positive, but yeah, I don't know. Just recently I have not been with it. That's fine, you know. People go through that kind of stuff. You just gotta get out of it somehow. How do you try and deal with that? Speak to people. Kitten helps me a lot. My mum helps me a lot. Yeah, maybe just finding your own purpose, or I think it's mainly the fact of who you want to be. I think I'm struggling with at the moment. Not happy with what I'm being at the moment, like in terms of just the way I'm with myself. So yeah, rubs off. Losing the drive, like it all correlates to loads of different things. You know, it's all kind of spirals out. Look at this GJ rejecting again. My God. Can be pretty boring, yeah. Yeah, no, it's boring. It's just being the person I want to be. I've got to change things, and my discipline's just not good enough. I need to get better discipline. How do you perceive yourself at the moment? Still quite young. I still feel quite young. Yeah, I don't think I'm matured enough yet. Yeah, still a bit too like privileged and stuff like that. That's why I stay away from GJ. Yeah, man. Look at that. Boom. Reflip that 30 and the 15. Burnout, bro. Yeah, I mean, maybe burnout. But I've had a lot of time off recently, but maybe it's not granted time. And just not putting in extra effort, you know, like not posting, not really grinding. I mean, I grinded it a lot at the start of this year, but yeah, this year's just been wild for me. Do you think it might be linked to you because you come from a rich family, making money isn't enough purpose? Yeah, maybe, yeah. To be fair, I didn't set goals this year, which I think's a big thing. I generally think it comes from if I asked my 18-year-old self what I'd be doing now, like right at this moment, I think I'd be disappointed. I think that's the main thing. That's the thing, Dante. I don't know yet. That's the thing. It's like, I don't know. My goals before, like at uni and stuff, were all there. Now it's kind of just, it's blurred. So let's see how it reacts here in 1962. All these rejection wicks. Do you have any sports aside from the gym that you like to do? Yeah. Oh my god, I did golf with my friend on Friday, maybe late Friday. And my dad gave me his old clubs, but the putter, oh my god, I got the putter out, and because it's so old, the grip is like decomposing. So I put my hands on it; it's sticky, and my hands are black. So that ruined. Obviously, you have to use the putter, like. So my hands at the end of the course were like completely black. Okay, so this is 8 o'clock. Okay, wow, looking like some volume's kicking in, which is good. Goalie's just pushed already. See if we can get out of this tricky zone. Looking like the volume's taking it. Look at that last 3 minutes of that candle there. Sometimes you just do a normal today. Yeah, that's very true, Dante. Easy to always compare what more, but sometimes it's not about that. Yeah. I think it's just yeah, wanting to do different stuff than my usual bollocks. Just going out. It's like it's just I want to do other stuff now. Gold is pushing hard on that open, yeah. Which is surprising because the last opens they've done absolutely fuck all. This kind of range came back up then and continued on Friday. Friday wasn't bad. Thursday was the hard one. I got trapped into. A little bit too late. Yeah, like I want to play golf. I might go play some golf today, to be fair. I might go on the driving range later on. To be honest with you, I think recently it's been mainly the fact that I just work from home and don't see anyone. Like my social skills have definitely reduced the past 2 years, I'd say. Which is a shame because I was really like good at it, but yeah, I lost it. Or lost some of it, you know. There's a nice golf course near me. There's loads around me. I went to one literally just down this road. It's called I don't know what it's called. Like 10 pin? No, 10 pin or something. 9 holes. It was nice. Only a little small one. Only cost £5 a go. It was nice. Forex is simply boring. Venturing into other businesses isn't a bad idea. Yeah, 100%. But I've always been doing that. Yeah. And I think it's like my weight as well. Like I'm trying to get that off, but it's just discipline. It's just a lack of discipline that pisses me off. And
Yeah, boy.
jeez, Kiko's in the building. Good morning, brother.
Morning.
How was your weekend? Yours look fun.
Oh yeah, you have me on Snapchat, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was wasted. No,
Is it a festival?
You know what's crazy? Yeah, I went to this festival called Satan Fest.
Uh-huh.
Bro, when I was finished, I couldn't find my car for like an hour, almost 2. I was just looking for
Oh my god.
Bro.
Not a vibe.
Yeah. How was your weekend? How was your vacation, man?
Yeah, it was good, bro. That was nice. Really, really nice. Really enjoyed it. Nice and relaxing. It was beautiful, man. Crete is a nice island. It was beautiful.
I heard there's fires over there at the moment.
Yeah, yeah. It's been people being evacuated and shit. Big, massive
Just
fires.
on time, huh?
Yeah.
I'm in these gold buys still.
Oh,
Around
what?
59.69.
Oh, wow. You're getting low, low, low.
Yeah. I don't know if I should hold this the whole day or just because I'm really low.
Have you closed any?
Yeah, I've closed some.
Yeah, I'd hold it.
But my run is almost to what my position made me.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's hard, man.
Yeah.
But if you look at the 4 hour, you are just you get it. You've got in so low at this retest here, so you know you're at a good advantage. Let's take a look. Let's take a look on the hourly. It's hard, man, because the left is so choppy. You don't know when it's gonna.
Yeah, and I see those words to the left of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, my run is almost double my position. You just close now.
Very nice. Very nice.
I mean, like, that was nice.
Yeah, it was a good push through London there. Did expect to know we held that support, which is nice. Trying to think of what kind of I could have got in. I mean, it would have been an impulsive break at a high.
I just bought the what is it called? The sweep
Yeah.
and the 5 minute celery is what I.
Yeah, that's nice, bro. We discussed that here. Sweep of the Asian low, come back up, 5 minute celery there. Yeah, yeah, that's good. Very nice. I really wanted these GJ, but GJ's came back down. GJ's still bullish though, so I don't know. Just because.
Buys in the morning, but I missed it.
I like the celery here there at 6 o'clock.
That's what I saw. At the 50% mark as well.
Yeah. Yeah, that was nice. You should try a walk hike challenge to get you fit and something to train for. That's true. Yeah, something to train for would be quite a good idea. Because it means you have to do it, really.
Brian took the same trade as me.
And the 5.
Yeah, literally the same exact trade.
Woohoo! Good rejection on it. London Marathon, yeah, I should do one of them. To be fair, it's true. Yeah, I'll do my gym and my run today. I think the issue with like the gym that I'm like that's annoying is just injuries, man. I'm just always have a little niggle in my shoulder or something.
I had something here, bro. So yesterday I went to I didn't eat anything the day before. Like I had McDonald's the evening when I go home. And then yesterday I went to out back. We went to play what the fuck you call it?
Oh yeah, that racket thing. What's it called?
Yeah. We call it padel.
Yeah.
And then bro, my hand like skin's falling off.
Yeah, I like to play some tennis. Like watching that Wimbledon, like I want to play some tennis. I do love it. Do you have any hobbies you enjoy?
When you're here, we'll go tennis or padel or whatever you want.
Yes, sir. Oh, that'd be sick. Yeah, I've got to organize that as well. I want to walk the coast. I want to walk the coast to coast soon. Oh wow, George. Yeah, I think my mum and dad did the coast to coast on bike. Walking it is fucking mad. Do you have any hobbies you enjoy? Well, I like cars. I like doing stuff with cars. Should really get into racing with my dad, but I'm just not there yet. I don't like it enough for my dad. Like he loves it. I think I would enjoy it, but it's expensive, man. Have we tried meditation? Not really, no. But I did do yoga. But I kind of stacked that off as well. Yeah, I think the next part of this year is I just want more discipline. I want to be able to just like Caitlin, my girlfriend's got so much discipline. It's just abnormal. I just need a bit more discipline, saying no to things, and yeah,
Saying no is probably like,
yeah,
I don't even struggle with doing things, just saying no to people.
yeah. I heard an SVJ makes everything go away. Get a motorbike. Oh man, my mum would have a fucking panic attack. Have a look at a Three Peaks challenge or something like Tough Mudder. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I think I just need to put more goals on. Like I did the goals through uni, but then I just kind of stopped after. Yeah, like even like little things that you just think about. Like for example, like I don't really want to swear as much, but obviously it's in my vocabulary so much. It takes so long to get rid of it. But again, and like using different words, just being a better person overall is what I want to do. To be honest, this GJ, come on, pick fucking direction. My God. Like, what do you mean by discipline? Just discipline and not having instant reward straight away. Like, if I want to do, like, recently, if I want to do something, I'll just go do it. If I want a takeaway, I'll just buy a takeaway. But why? Like, it's so stupid. It's not. There's no reward for it. Just getting too used to comforts. Gotta be put in a big zone, man. Stop buying ice cream and sugars. I don't eat ice cream and sugars. I just eat fucking loads of savory. Nah, to be fair, I'm not bad in terms of gym, but it's not like right now I'm not bad. I'm going to the gym, I'm feeling good. It's just I think if I was looking at myself when I was 18 and like what I am now, I'd be like, what went wrong?
Mate, if you live close by me, bro, you would have a chance.
Huh?
You'll be massive in 3 months.
In where?
If you lived close by.
Yeah.
You know what I have? My best friend. I
Uh-huh.
have like I live at this student complex.
Uh-huh.
My best friend literally has a room next. So we just work out together like every day. Like,
Yeah, just get it
when
done.
one doesn't want to go, then we'll fucking go, bro. Are you a bitch or something that you don't want to go to?
Yeah.
Even on hangover days.
Yeah. So things wrong with Kiko's volume. Yeah, the Zoom volume for some reason the Zoom mics are just so much louder. I can't really. I've try to fix it, but I can't really find it. Oh, you can in Zoom. Okay.
I think so.
But would your 18-year-old self believe that you have 10k subs? Yeah, that's true. But I've had 10k subs for so long, and I just stopped posting, and yeah, it's silly. So good stuff, man. There's a good little closure there, and for you, Kiko there, and Gold Eats. I mean, if you look at the floor as well, yeah, it's right at Flores.
Yeah, that's right close.
So yeah, we'll with the NY session, we'll wait for that 4-hour closure at 2 o'clock, and there seems to always be a move there recently. The sim tomorrow will be going through that again. Yeah, we've been Kiko. I think last week you weren't here. We went through basically how Christian looks to trade. Obviously not as in depth, but just kind of looking at 4 hours. When the 2 o'clock candle closes in NY, and what you can get from it, and some good moves, man. Because recently there's been no kind of clean zones in terms of like 30 minutes, 15s are quite hard to get into. You got to get in earlier. But the 4 hours moves exactly the same as obviously the lower time frames, and I can get the same trades.
Hold like 3 hours of a 4 hour and be good.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly. So yeah, we'll keep on doing that. Hi Max, do you think inflation using euros is impacting gold? Well, it's not inflation used though, is it? It's just manufacturing, yeah. So, I don't know, we'll see. It's normally not that important, but we'll see. PMI coming out right now. 20 seconds time. Reckon PMI will drive GJ down. Well, it's euro, so it shouldn't have a massive factor on. The only thing that I can say is that, you know, does euro follow the pound? Does pound follow the euro? You know, if euro's numbers are bad, or pound's numbers going to be bad? You know, it's that speculation. But they're normally not that. It's normally not that deep manufacturing. No, I mean GJ at 9:30. Oh yeah, pound. Yeah, it could do. Could be waiting for it. Let's take a look at the spreads.
Like a week.
Huh?
It's my birthday in like a week. I haven't even thought about it.
Jeez. I know, man. I've already got to a stage now where it's like it's my birthday. I'm like, oh man, does it really have to be my birthday again? It's more stress. Yeah, fuck. I was younger, you're gagging for it. Like, yes, please, let me be 17 so I can drive. Oh my god, I couldn't wait. Now I'm like, no, just put another.
Let's just keep 22.
Yeah, 23 is rough.
I think 25. Well,
Yeah, 20.
People here in the chat thinking, bro, shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
23, 24. Yeah. I think 25 is gonna be like, oh shit, I'm an adult.
25, I should be engaged by then, probably with a kid on the way. Because Katen's older than me. She'd be like 26, 27 there. Yeah.
Max?
Oh, wow, that news made a big difference. Fuck me, look at that.
That sucks.
Wow.
You know what though? I am still looking for buys. If we start rejecting that support again,
Yeah. I think
I think
yeah, the buys at GJ look good later on.
because if you can get low here, bro, and it actually does end up pushing him. Oh my days. You
Yeah.
can get all the way to the left as well.
Especially, yeah, especially how GJ closed daily bullish above. You know, what we'd really expect is for this candle to go retest there. You know, that's probably where the retest is going to be. So, yeah, it's still not bad. I still couldn't take sells in GJ yet. Still too bullish. Look at how the JBY pairs have moved. Yes, let's take a look and see what came out here. Let's take a look at the numbers. So, levels of diffusion index based on survey purchasing managers in the manufacturing industry. Yeah, doesn't look like a big change, but it seemed to have moved GJ there. And EJ. He's got a very clean zone below, but
yeah, but you know those zones, they don't really happen.
no. This looks like this is the 8:30 push again. On Friday. Yeah, you gotta look at the higher time frames and go, right, yeah, it's obviously clean. You should get a little drive, but where should it actually retest? Well, we broke above here, we've retested. We broke above here, we should really retest here. So you gotta be cautious when it gets to that level. I'm staying clear till 9:30. Yeah, I think people are taking it easy today, which is good, man. Everyone has that discipline, which is good. You don't need to rush into it. My analysis this morning, you know, I wanted the GJ buys above here. I'm still waiting on that. And Goldie, I needed to come, you know, and break at least this high. Get above like 66. But maybe later on, you know. I don't like getting into the push of a move if it's like if this is London and it's just driven all the way up here. You get into the buy, you just got in so late. So it's best to probably wait for like, this to push up, then retrace, then when you get a closure at like 12 o'clock, then you get the drive up. Fill that wick and retest there.
I think gold wants to try again.
Yeah.
I know Brian's looking different. Hello.
Brian's what?
Brian's definitely looking this.
Yeah, he will. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Looks good though. On the daily, it's just like a retest.
Yeah. Just retesting the previous level at 960. Let's do the. Especially for those trying to funded accounts, you can now take your sweet time and pick your battles. That's sick. So has every single funded account now got no time on it? Because that's pretty good.
How that business works. Everyone makes one change, and then they all need to make the change.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bro, wait. Let me just. I'll say this in New York section. Some things I don't want to.
So yeah, like GJ over here now, 4 hours reflipped, pushed, daily candle, as I said, still retesting. As I say, I'm just not too bearish yet. Especially for the fact that definitely just moved with that news. Like that 15 just ripped.
A sweep of the Asian law back in the room.
Yeah, maybe later on. It's got a level to go retest. It's got like a order lockdown here. Maybe go tap 181 at 470 before then. Keep her going, Goldie.
Looks good, man.
You're gonna be vexed with that runner, eh? You still ain't close here though.
To be honest with you, I'm happy with anything.
100%. I think Don will be back today. I want to see some Don's new trades because he's getting in. He's not waiting. He's getting in like retests and stuff now. It should be interesting to see. Watch him see what he's been doing.
Where's Alec? He's not here. Huh?
Yeah, he's pretty partying still, bro.
His Instagram stars are like, I need to chill with him.
Yeah. He has a vibe, like great crack. Oh, thank you very much for subscribing, Christopher. 64 likes, guys. Let's try and get to 100 likes. Still waiting patiently. I really wanted the buys on GJ, so the bearish now coming towards big support. Goldie, I did expect us to hold this support, to be honest, because we're overall still bullish. But to get in, you'd have to have got in, yeah, maybe on this 5-minute salary there. Get that push. Swoop in the Asian lows. But to be honest with you, I'm not really asked about this. This zone for me is not the easiest. Just gotta find a volume, get in early, go break even, hope it pushes. What is this weather as well, man? It's been raining for ages. It's been like a week.
Bro, it's fucking annoying, man.
Isn't it gonna be like July? Like, bruh.
Oh, I booked my vacation, man.
Oh, did you? Nice. Well done, bro.
I'm gonna make another private story just for you when I'm there.
Take a look, right? So, yeah, Leeds today. Yeah, it's just gonna be cloudy for like another week. Damn. Well, as long as I'm not sweating my ass in this room, I don't really care. The guy holding buys from earlier is doing right now. Yeah, as long as you didn't get wicked out. But the amount of like this month and last month, the amount of supports that I've held have been ridiculous. You know, just bouncing off levels. GJ's been doing it consistently. Bouncy, bouncy. So at 8 o'clock when we pushed, yeah, literally ripped. I mean, a buy stuff there would have been nice impulsively, but
I was gonna get tapped out, but
yeah,
pushing me for a little while. Like, yes.
yeah, yeah. Last week, gold really struggled to push London as well.
Look at that.
So let's take a look at. Yes, the daily's just retesting the 4 hours coming back up. And I don't really care about this level here, 1968, because this already retested it. It's like it's redoing it, which is good. Join Raj's Dominion Markets 1 week ago, now finding ways to exit. Don't be trapped in it. Advertising excess and IC is too good in everything, whether that be spread. Yeah, I did say that though. Always said. I think he just says the Dominion Market is not the best. Well, yeah, he's not going to get the best spreads, is he?
Interesting.
Yeah, IC is going to be better. Gold is looking good for buys. Yeah, maybe later on. It's already moved up quite a significant amount here, really. 50, 60 pips. Definitely later on. And the move is done for London. Yeah. Wouldn't surprise if Raja got the break of the high here. If it was very quick. But it did push just very quickly.
At 85 pips in full position.
I just took a buy once you broke this high, and it was all good.
Yeah, you know, the 15-minute closed bearish, so I took a buy and then.
Travis Scott's got a new Utopia album.
Bro, I have a couple new songs. My days.
I've been just listening to this Drake.
Are you playing music?
Yeah.
I can't hear it.
I know, that's fucking.
Oh, you're playing that.
Yeah, copyright bullshit.
I found this Pop Smoke song, which somehow I never heard of. It's called the Merci Beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup. I like this one, this Drake headlines one.
Yeah, we can't hear.
You will on a sec. Max, how many bips do you go break even? Really depends on the move. If I know it's like breaking a higher time frame high, I'll try and go break even quite quickly just to get a push. If it's a big zone that's nice and clean, then I'll leave it on for longer. If my stop loss is like 30 pips, I'll go break even around like 15, 16. If it's like an order block and basically my stop is holding the zone, then I'll leave it on for a little bit longer. So yeah, it really depends on what we're taking. Yeah, I'm gonna do a video on that.
Added some tunes on the playlist.
Huh?
Added some tunes to the playlist.
Oh, cheers, brother. That playlist is fire. A lot of people listen to that playlist. I was with Ollie at the weekend. And he says he listens to it loads. Oh, look at the spreads. Whoa, 8:30, 8:30. Fucking hell, man. Just another manufacturing. It's all morning, man. Literally all morning. All morning, and then there's some 2:30, I think, on gold. Oof, look at GJ. How is GJ moving with this fucking uni so aggressively? Damn.
I don't mind it though.
Oh, look at EJ. Damn.
Chaboy. Who used to say that?
Chapoy.
Chaboy.
Dunno.
Oh, man. Oh, I think it was these Call of Duty games that I used to watch. Did you ever watch that professional Call of Duty?
Yeah.
What was his name? Nate Shot?
Oh, I like Nade Shot, yeah.
Yeah. I still follow him on Instagram. It's actually quite crazy to see he's getting married and shit.
Wow.
I remember being like 12 and 11 watching these guys just play all that.
We're waiting for a video, Max, on break even. Yeah. Just cause GJ from last week trade 200 swap fees. Are they mad? Oh my god. Yeah, the swap fees can eat you. They know, they know, they know. Let's have a bit of Kendrick for the start of this week. Do do do. Kendrick and only Kendrick. There's a rejection from Goldie. As I say, yeah, for me, I want to buy above 1966, back above that level. On the 15, you can see it's big support, big resistance. So if you close above there, it would be good to get a little push, hopefully to 69. GJ buys. Why not yet? Look at the 5. Yeah, maybe have to come back down, as I said, 181, 490 level. I do not hold over the weekend. You never know what happens if a gap comes. No stop loss saves you. Yeah, exactly. Very true. You can see the my suit and then put me on stages. Probably gonna sin again. Do 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 do. You can still not hear the music. How? Can you not hear the music, Dennis? Share sound. It's there, look.
No, no. There's no music.
Oh. Oh, this might be why. 1 second. Sorry, guys. Fuck's sake. I thought you could actually hear the fucking music.
No. There's the music.
Yeah. It's because I had it on the wrong fucking setting. All good. Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my drink, I got my music, I will share it, but today I'm yelling, bitch, don't kill my vibe. 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 You ain't heard the coast like
This in a long time.
Don't you see the long line? And they waiting on Kendrick like the first and the 15th. Threes in the air, I can see you are in sync. Hide your feelings now. What you better do? I'll take your girlfriend and put that pussy on a pedestal. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Walk out the door and they scream it's alive.
Wow, EJ, fill that zone, boy.
Talk too motherfucking much. I got my drink, I got my music. I say, bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
Wait to form support on GJ, then we think we can. Then we think what to do. Yeah. She hasn't really tapped into that zone yet. I got close, but because obviously this has just pushed down because of Euro news, so it's not really the overall direction of the day on GJ. It's just pushed down in this news. The news came out there and there. No top wicks on both, so it's definitely just pushed with the news. What's the commission and withdrawal times with the IC, Max? What do you mean? Commissions? 1 second. I've actually checked it recently. I think commissions is $7 a lot. But then you can get, but I think you can get it all off. You can get 36% of it off on payback effects. Could be 7 or 6. Have to see. And then withdrawals. If I withdraw right now, it'll come into my bank either today or tomorrow morning. But probably today. Later on today.
Yeah, bitch.
Yeah, bish. Dollar signs. You looking like an easy come up, yeah, bitch. 200 people on beautiful Monday. We chilling. Hallelujah. You pause again. What you do? And I've been hustling all day. Oh shit, yeah, I need to ring the doctors. I missed that, didn't I?
Ooh. Holding that level.
You what?
Holding that lever, you see on the top? Oh, you're on the free. Oh, what the fuck?
Wait, what are you looking at?
You're on the 3 minutes.
Yeah. Trees are living like rappers do.
Back to reality, we pour ya, bitch. Another casualty at war, ya, bitch. 2 bullets in my Uncle Tony head. He said one day I'll be on tour, ya, bitch. That Louisburgers never be the same. A Louis Belder never ease that pain. But I'ma purchase when that day is jerking. Pull off at churches with Pirelli skirting. Gang signs out the window, yeah, bitch. Hoping all of them offend you, yeah, bitch. They say your hood is a pot of gold, and we go crash it when nobody's home.
Hallelujah.
Oh yeah, I was just.
Put that song that I put on from Pop Smoke on the playlist.
Right, job done. Booked an appointment. I need to remember it now. So yeah, I think we're gonna have some nice trades a little bit later on. I do think it's gonna be more New York though today. Okay, so 9:30 we got pound news now. Actually 9 we still got more on euros, so yeah. Okay, just wait a little longer. You think GJ will continue to melt? I don't know. There's a lot of support it's gonna tap into very shortly. For me, this push down as well wasn't a real push from GJ. It was from the news that came out on Euro because we pushed down twice. Every single time it opened, it pushed. So it wouldn't surprise you if this retraces all the way and then continues bullish. To be honest with you. So we'll see. We will see.
I'm feeling villainous. I couldn't afford them kicks. I had one pair and I cleaned them rigorous. Squeezed in junior, feel like Vinicius. Young G stupid, but they ain't idiots. It's scary, trap insidious. How you expect us to know how to love? You know? I can't teach no one how to hustle. Some man just got it. Back then I got chased by feds. I ran out of breath and I wanted to vomit. I hit that freak, she put me in cuffs. It triggered my trauma, I tell her to stop it. She wanna know if I'm really balling. That
Girl there wanna weigh my wallet.
we ain't doing a rational get backs, creep up clean when they leave.
So 50-minute just closed on GJ. Yeah, but as I say, I'm not bearish at the moment.
Ran through enough of these famous girls, but I still got some on my checklist.
They got one on my guest list.
I took bro out the trenches, jump out the Volvo, jump out the Lexus. Active, he ain't got no preference, slapped it. But when in retrospective, I could have been calm and collected, avoided the problem and feed the scene. Too vocal, don't need no beat. I go old school like a V-suit jeans. Who's that with the cargos and Cortez? The back poke out and the waist petite. Got flown out all the way to Greece. She got great physique. 2 a.m. I'm calling Clint like, yo.
Did you see that Drake and Central C did a freestyle?
Yeah, I saw that on YouTube. Revive.
That girl looked like scissor to me. How you upset that I cut you off when you basically handed the scissors to me?
I watched that Drake interview as well with that like Bobby girl. That's funny.
My young boy do man differently. She wanna show them girls she know me. Call my government name.
Never took my shirt in school, so why not go and tuck my chain?
Hide my face like fuck the fame. Trusting different but loves the same.
Come on, Christian, brother. Where's Goldie going? What did Christian train today? Wait, what? Slipped 7 pips? Fucking hell, bro. When the fuck was that? Dave Chappelle.
Half of the block get paid in jail. That was a risky test before, now it's no danger. I'm on a major scale.
That was a risky test before, saying that now there ain't no danger.
The way that the light bounce off of these GIAs make guy like stranger. Got love for all of the young G's booking a flight and I'm headed to Asia.
So in terms of GJing right now, obviously we broke below this level here. This is could be the next area that we could have a bit of an issue with a buy. So we'll see how it taps there. I mean, what you could do is maybe wait for price to come back up, retest, then come back down, tap the little order block, then close bullish W, and then you can take the buy. That's what you can maybe do.
I don't want to come to your session, I don't want to jump on none of your beats. We could talk about direct debit, my monthly payment 100 G's. Taxman on me, I keep receipts. My biggest payment is HMRC. Bro got it in masjid, he got a mad thing under his camise. Bad one watching her calories, long thing, cause I wanna go out to eat. Hella petite, like Bella Hadid, so I handle it delicately. She kinda surprised I got eloquent speech. I got a ting from DC Harley Quinn, feel like the Joker. Back then I had my Nankin Dallas, Texas Hold'em, me and my poker, anti-social. I'm a loner. He got done up in mid-November and didn't recover till late October. You need more than slinging a shoulder. Young black Britain Italian kit, I feel like Tammy and Roma. I had the range with an extra seat, so I squeezed that bitch in the
back of the Rover.
White on sea. Who's that there on the C2C?
Oh, Brian, Don's open.
Let's not talk about making a mill. This year I average one in a month. Had a vision of running it up and it's working well like rum and a punch in DLT. I ain't come for a brunch. Who's that brown is sat in a passy? I had plans of a cash and carry. My legs were dry and my elbows ashy. Alright, speaking of ash, I beg you man, like just smoking more, please. Trying to fucking record.
Let's take a look.
The man them too inconsiderate, 5-star hotel smoking cigarette, mixing codeine up with a
Try what? Teddy Smith swims.
Alright. I know they are bad, stop acting innocent. We ain't got generational wealth, it's only a year that I've had these millions. My whip could have been in a
Wow, he's big.
I went from the Toyota.
Please don't make promises that you can't keep. Your best intentions end up hurting.
You playing in the playlist?
No matter
No, this is Dennis said. Which one do you like, Dennis? I think I've heard of Teddy Swims. Yeah. All that really matters is this one. Whoa, look at the art. That's cool. How many did Oppenheimer get his first weekend things? Weekend. Well, Barbie beats fucking Oppenheimer. Oh my god, that is haram.
I was just looking at that. What is it?
I heard that the Barbie one was very like just taking the mick out of men, jokes about how bad men are and shit like that. So that's great. Another film to add to the collection.
That's such a weird movement, like.
People just have a lot of hatred and think it's a.
No, the problem is some people have had bad experiences and then they base all their things off that one experience and they expect that every man is the same and every man was raised the same way.
Isn't that so like retarded? Like, why can't you just use
it? It is the most dumb thing, and yeah. Who am I to say? You know, live your life. I don't give a fuck.
Margot Robbie though. She's a big Love Island fan. She knows all the Love Island cast. Imagine going on Love Island and then Margot Robbie coming up and knowing your name. That'd be mad.
Who's her again? Oh, the blonde one from Wolf of Wall Street.
Yeah.
Well, I don't like blonde women, to be honest. Not really my type, but I'll make an exception. Where's my uncle?
I don't know where he is. He's been missing London recently. I think for good reason, to be honest. It's been not the easiest. He's on an NY. Just saw your message, Kiko. I was shitting the bed lately. Good commitment.
Yeah, man. What the fuck?
Gold M? Yeah, it's a little M. What? Shit in your water.
Bro, I've left this water here for so long, but look what's happening to it.
What? Let's get algae.
Oh my days.
But
this is tap water.
Mate, the tap water in the Netherlands is no good.
It's not good anywhere, bro, believe me. Go test it.
Got loads of shit in it, yeah.
Man.
You can
You actually should not drink tap water. Like, it's really not good for you.
Yeah. I do a Stromae song. Formidable. I love this Stromae guy.
Oh,
G.
if we're playing these type of music, so 1 second.
The Formidable. I used to listen to this guy playing FIFA.
Wait,
Stromae.
Stromae, yes.
wait, search Lewis Capaldi.
Yes.
What's that song called?
Which one? It's got quite a lot.
The biggest one.
Louis Capaldi.
Someone you love?
Yeah. Bro, that song is
Yeah.
banging.
So can you see here now GJ is retested here. Had a little bit of a retrace to continue back down. So always remember that if price breaks out of a zone, it always has to go retest it. So try not to be in a buy before then unless the zone's big enough. Because it just can tap, reject, continue back down. Yeah, there's a little bit of a Goldie M nearly if it closes below. Okay, I'm still quite bullish on Goldie out here. Yes, you can no make door baba. This Stromae has sick music videos as well. What's the Formidable one, I think he's like drunk. He's like drunk in France somewhere. Yeah, this one. Look, he's like kind of walking around. Formidable.
Formidable. Tu étais formidable, j'étais formidable. Nous étions.
And then the Tuzla Mem one, look at this. The Tuzla Mem is like, yeah, he's like dressed up as a girl and shit. It's a fucking tune, man. Like 399 million views, fucking hell.
Vous les hommes êtes tous les mêmes. Macho mais chill, monde de nos vies est infidèle. Si prévisible, non je ne suis pas certaine que tu le mérites. Avec la chance qu'on vous aime. Dis-moi merci. Rendez-vous, rendez-vous, rendez-vous prochainement. Rendez-vous, rendez-vous, rendez-vous sûrement au prochain rêve.
What the fuck is that music? Yeah, his music videos are always really wild.
Cette fois c'était la
He's like tended a man and then a girl.
Tu peux croire que c'est qu'une crise, mate une dernière fois mon derrière. Il est à côté de mes valises. Tu diras au revoir à ta mère. Elle qui t'idéalise, tu ne vois même pas tout ce que tu perds. Avec une autre, ce serait pire. Quoi, toi aussi,
The
tu
live
veux
performance
finir
is so
maintenant?
lit. Yeah, I love to see him live.
Moi je le disais pour te faire réagir seulement. Toi tu pensais. Rendez-vous, rendez-vous, rendez-vous au prochain règlement.
What's he saying in this one? Someone who speaks French. What's he saying?
Rendez-vous, rendez-vous sûrement au prochain rêve.
Not in French, but sound weird English people trying to speak his music. Yeah. Rendez-vous, rendez-vous, rendez-vous à prochainement. Rendezvous means D. What? So Harry in the chat just said, gold, bro, is gold not bearish? These in Friday are both bearish. Yeah, I mean, in terms of recent price, you know, yeah, the candles have closed bearish. The only thing is that the daily candle is broken above. We broke above here. and now we just retest them. This is why it's quite tricky, because yeah, we did close bearish, but in
And you
terms
see
of,
how that previous daily did not close below that level?
yeah,
That's
still-
also
still
it can still be
respect it.
bearish, but it's not clear yet.
Yeah. And that's why it makes it harder for us to get into trades, because you don't actually know if it's going to react off this level. Obviously, it has now, but it's still consolidating. You know, if you start breaking below these lows, then yeah, it's going to be pretty bearish. But we'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see.
Et que j'aime trop les blablabla, mais non, c'est important. Ce que t'appelles les ragnagnas, tu sais.
Put that guy that I said after this, the
Yeah,
capital
Pas
league.
le bon moment, ah oui, pour les faire, là tu
Okay,
es
là.
présent. Et pour les élever, il y aura des absents. Lorsque je ne serai plus belle, ou du moins au naturel.
This is the guy that did Alone Dance. Do you know the one that Kanye does?
Kitmos qui est éternel.
Mon choubet.
How many views does he have?
Fucking loads. He's massive.
Oh
399
my
million.
days!
Yeah, he's huge.
Moi ou elle, c'est jamais bon. Rendez-vous, rendez-vous, rendez-vous au prochain règlement. Rendez-vous, rendez-vous sûrement au prochain.
Magnifique!
Magnifica. Yeah, Luis Capaldi's got a big tick, bless him. You watched his documentary thing? That's good.
Bro, I saw this video on Instagram that he couldn't sing, but everyone was singing the song. Oh, that's sick.
Yeah. The dad one is great. Oh yeah, what's that one called? It's called Papa Ute. Ute, Papa Ute. Never. So yeah, I know there's an M here, but it's not like a major red. I mean, it's hard. It's just in the middle of the zone. I don't really want to be taking an M here when there's not. We haven't really filled this whole range yet, and also for me, it's had a bounce. It's bullish, so I'm not really too happy with that.
I need somebody to know, somebody to heal, somebody to have, just to know how it feels. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you help me escape.
Get some bad boy chiller crew on.
It's a nightfall, and you know to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and
And then you put it right.
I was getting kinda used to being so in love.
We are a very unique stream.
That's just my personality, bro. Go from fucking listen to Migos to go to
Rap
Louis
music.
Capaldi, yeah.
Just singing the ad libs.
Now the day bleeds into nightfall, you're not here.
Do you know what song I love in the clubs? This song came up on I think Friday. It's fucking good shit. This song. This is such a laugh. I swear this is like Karma. I bet Karma. I love to be like Karma Effects and like this is like Karma Effects and like Don's music. Like this. Shout out my label, that's me. I'm on this bitch TV.
I'm in this bitch with 4 tray. I just pulled on me a A. Real nigga all in my face. 500 racks in my safe.
500 racks to the plug.
What you know about showing love? What you know about pulling love?
Such a tune, isn't it?
Make these bitches fall in love. All of my niggas on go. None of my niggas know.
He's huge, isn't he, little baby now?
All of my niggas together. We came from the bottom. We used to wear each other. None of my niggas gon' fold. Couple pussy niggas told. They ain't my niggas no more. Hold it down for the fold.
Sell stop on GJ. Where though? Where would the sell stop be? On the flip?
Especially not by no bitch. We ain't gon' fall out by hoes. Man said get them lows. We let them go for the low.
I get my hood in control.
I got my leverage on froze. I got my
You what?
leverage on froze.
I don't like the sales on GJ.
You don't like them?
No.
Yeah, me too. I'd rather wait for the buys. I've been bullish all day. Still, it's just at this retest here.
You also have like a level to tap Oh,
Yeah.
the previous 30 minute non-stop work.
Yeah. If this is, I always think, look at the daily. If this is the 30-minute time frame, would I ever want to be taking a sell there? Nah, I'd actually be wanting to look for a buy if this reflip and breaks a high there. I saw. Right, okay, go to the toilet, but yeah, still waiting, still nothing too much, but again, we have NY, we have NYSE, we got so much time today, and there is a lot of news this morning, so it's all good, we just gotta wait, 2 minutes.
I ain't no kid that don't push me. Let me buy.
Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe. Nothing in the water. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe. Nothing in the water. I just wanna feel liberated, I just wanna feel liberated, If I ever get she just bleach her asshole, and I get bleach on my t-shirt, I'ma feel like an asshole. I was high when I met her, we was down at Tribeca. She get under your skin if you let her. She get under your skin, I don't even wanna talk about it. I don't even wanna talk about it. I don't even wanna say nothing. Everybody gon' say something. I'll be worried if they say nothing. Remind me where I know you from. She looking like she awesome. You know it's what we want. I wanna wake up with you in mind. You're the sun for wanting more. Nothing in the water. Beautiful morning. You're the sun of my morning, babe. Nothing in the water. I just wanna feel liberated, I just wanna feel liberated,
Song called. I think the music video for this one's sick as well. His music videos are just fire, yeah. They're very artsy.
Oh!
Yeah, this is his song, bro.
Oh my goodness.
Alors, qui dit études dit travail, qui dit taf, je te dis les thunes, qui dit argent dit dépenses, et qui dit crédit dit créance, qui dit
Who made this
dit
beat?
huissier, lui
Yes,
dit
man.
Him, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah?
And then Kanye asked to play on it. I don't think Kanye made the beat because Kanye copied him after, yeah.
merde, qui dit amour dit les gosses,
I wouldn't
dit
actually help
toujours et dit divorce, qui dit proche te dit deuil car les problèmes ne viennent pas seuls, qui dit crise te dit monde, dit famine dit tiers-monde, et qui dit fatigue du réveil, encore sur de la veille. Alors on sort pour oublier tous les problèmes. Alors on danse. Alors on danse.
Yeah, there's a lot of ones about drinking.
Alors on danse. 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 Alors on danse.
Fucking hell, everyone messes with the song.
So yeah, I mean, right now, if you actually take a look, we are still waiting for real direction. Obviously, we pushed nicely here on Goldie. Just gotta wait. Still haven't really closed below for an M if you wanted to take this M. But yeah, as I say, above for buys would be nice. And this GJ is just gonna sort itself out. Because now the hourly closed bearish below a little bit of support. Maybe come back down here, but definitely later on for the buys would be good. Hello. Yeah, this one. Look, his music views are fire. Look at it. Look at this one. 993 million views. I think this is one of my favorite ones actually. Thinking of it.
Dites-moi d'où il vient, enfin je saurai où je vais. Maman dit que lorsqu'on cherche bien, on finit toujours par trouver. Elle dit qu'il n'est jamais très loin.
50-minute break and a high on GJ. Can you see now that we're not really rejecting now. Now we're starting to come back above, so it's looking good for potential buys later on. Because what you'd really wanted is this candle to come back down. Now we're coming back up. See? News in 20, yeah. So news, which is going to cause some more moves probably here on GJ. 9:30. So we'll wait until that news comes out, and then yeah, I might leave it until later on. Nothing too much here. Dennis, did you see any areas that you might have wanted to get into, or nothing really?
No, nothing really. Not yet.
Come on, Dennis, you're not gonna give us signals?
I think those buys there that Kiko and Ryan took, yeah,
I'm happy I survived the break even because I was break even before it started retesting.
This song has copyright? Yeah, all the songs have copyright, brother. So good.
Okay, play that Pop Smoke that I added to the playlist. So if you like it.
Smoke, pop, smoke.
Bro, what a shame that he died, man. The guy was 21 years old. Probably he was gonna be one of the biggest stars ever.
He's got a funny voice in the
Wait.
Wait.
Catch up, but I'm taking his jewelry. Catch up, but I'm taking his jewelry. Wait. Catch up, and I'm taking his jewelry.
I was like,
I said, don't get it twisted. Because I smell it like that don't mean I'm with the foolery. When I walk in my school, all the staff for me. I'm like, you used to tutor me. I stay in the cut like a band-aid. And that's where my shooters be. One down, gun tuck, tool on me, left switch, plus smoke. They do not know what just started. I pop a burger retarded, then mac up the Rory, then fuck in my grandma's apartment. I'm rocking Louis V.
I had a burger go retarded. He says that so many songs, isn't he?
can never kiss a whore. Fuck her life up, then go up and tour. She know we up on the board. I got the 4-5 tucked in my drawer. They like, what's on your ring? 11 carats that come with a bad bitch in a mansion. And she from Paris. Mercy Bacoup, Mercy Bacoup. I don't got nothing.
Mercy Bacoup.
It's either you win or you lose. It's either you win or you lose. And I don't really care.
This gold M looks pretty good.
All I know is my niggas is woo. Sauce and hold on, booze. I shoot a nigga out the cool. We.
Yeah. It's gonna close below on the 5.
What do you think for gold? 1950 around?
Well, for continuation.
Yeah.
It's got to break below this 59 first, but yeah, you could do.
You're retesting Asian highs at the moment, so you could also just recheck that.
Yeah. I get cautious with the M's that
I'm only looking for buys. Like,
yeah. Yeah, same. Yeah. Wait.
Be in control of your own shit, or your own creations. You know what I'm saying? Like, be a creator. Like, I feel like when you create your shit,
Let's see though, there's a closure.
what you want,
Just stop speed.
don't let nobody get in between
23.
you and your creation.
Yeah, the stops are quite large for it as
My
well.
sound, it gotta be that.
Realistically, you should get down to 61 if it wants to push here.
It ain't good 'cause you know.
I just don't like that. Look at the 15 body.
I wasn't thinking about the
Yeah,
And
it's
it's
small.
You know what I'm saying? I'm like, nah, I gotta drop it
Like that.
As long as you ain't on no sucker shit,
Because look, you just had a massive push for London up.
you good.
I'm looking for sales. You're still above Asian highs.
You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? You ain't woo, you ain't winning in this shit.
If you ain't woo, you ain't winning. My Spanish song.
Spanish. Bad Bunny, I swear. Oh, I definitely heard of this dude before. Oh yeah, 77 million monthly listeners.
Bro,
This guy's got
he's-
so many, yeah.
Nice.
Remember seeing the GJ? This is what I was looking for.
Just at a hard level because it's closed below. It's retesting now. It's got no bottom wick in the hourly, and there's an order block there as well. Not an order, but an IC here.
And on the 1 hour, it could also just be a retest still.
Yeah, so it's harder.
Yeah, it's hard.
There's also news in 40 minutes. Uh-huh.
188 golden retrievers gathered for a group photo in Scotland.
Wow. I wanted Dashin so bad.
Dash Hound.
Dashin, yeah, I want
It's nice.
Dashin puppies. Oh, they're so cute, man. Like, look. That's what my little dolly looked like.
They are cute. But I like big dogs, man.
Ah, the small ones, they're just so cute and they're running around like they just. Yeah, I'm gonna have like 20 dogs. I'm a dog man.
Yeah, me too.
More dogs the better, man. Yeah. Yeah, overall I've had 9 dogs in my life.
Yeah, man.
I want to get. Huh?
Dogs are always happy. They're always happy to see you. They're
Yes.
Yeah. This one looks good. Yeah, I want to do this is a bit like similar to my dashing, because the back is not as stretched out, and like can you see that the back's quite built.
Yeah.
So it doesn't have as many issues where you can see some of them and the back is tiny.
Did you draw an arrow?
Yeah. Like that's
look
quite
at
thin.
that.
Needs to do some back day. Oh my god. Oh my god. The brunette ones are quite nice. Toby, I'll get back to you after this, my boy. Sorry, I might not have seen it on Telegram. Hot doggy. This GJ still holding this level yet? Not broken it yet.
I'm looking for a retracement of that move, to be honest.
I think it's good. Maybe it's gonna break it.
Yeah.
But I just don't have any way to throw my stop loss momentarily. Well, this is my song as well. I'm playing all my songs.
Yeah.
This in the car?
The car.
Almost break the IC candle.
Yeah.
Ryan's in this.
This Goldie's slowing down again. It's been doing that so much recently, man. It gives you a push and then it just ranges for hours. And if you get caught in the hour after, it's fucking painful, as I found out twice last week.
Look where the 5 minutes is closing, right at Asian eyes.
Yeah.
Now you have a celery.
See if it breaks this. There you go.
Yeah. Boom.
Push.
That's
Go
good.
retest.
Really.
Nice.
So if you get in the stop loss,
Oh.
921.
Did your candle flip? My
Yeah,
candle
yeah.
flipped.
It happens in Telegram a lot. Not Telegram, sorry, TradingView. Sometimes it does that, and you look and you go, "Oh my god!" And then you look at your two and go, "No, it's fine. It's still going down." When you're in a trade and you look at the TradingView, it does that. You're like, "Oh my god!"
That was nice.
I
You
had
see how
one-
you got the 5 minute celery, like the one I had
Yeah.
earlier? You have a 5 minute celery back into the range, or back into the range. So off it or back in.
Then again, like here, so stop loss would be there. That's where your first target should really be
My
there,
stop loss wouldn't have been there, man. My stop loss would be above that high.
like there.
Yeah.
It's a difficult one because it's again, yeah, it's just retesting. It's not bad, but it's. You can see now it's just retesting all this traffic here. See what it deals with here. I just think the zone was maybe a little bit too small for the stop. Retest entry would be better. Yeah, so yeah, you would have got in, yeah, like around there. It's true. And then that's better. Makes your RTR a little bit better too. Yeah, yeah, that's the thing, you know. That I think for the retest, exactly what Andrew's saying. You kind of needed a drive, which was there. That gives you the drive. Getting on the retest on this one's quite hard because it's again, it was just bullish before. A little bit harder because it's bull. I think we can look for a buy if we tap the 4-hour flip. Yeah. 36 minutes left for this 4-hour to close. 6 minutes left for the news to come out. We'll see what that does. But yeah, I'll probably wait until NY here. I think that'll be easier. Watching you vape just made me go buy one. No vapes. Coley boys in the building. So how much of that have been? 16. Yeah, might have got a little one-to-one there. Been here all morning watching the third screen. Have you been editing? Editing the next video?
Ik doe er ook wel op.
5 minutes left. 4 minutes left, sorry. How the spread's gonna be looking. We'll see. So yeah, if you're in a GJ trade right now, be a little bit careful. If you're in profit and you've got a decent amount, then maybe take some off. Or at least go break even, because it's been quite aggressive with the euro one, never mind the pound one. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, still holding this little level.
Ja, 1,3675.
You what?
No.
I'm joking.
Yeah.
I love it, Dennis.
I was watching Trading View.
Kijk, ik heb die naar SXP gestuurd.
Kiko's boss. It's the one frustrating thing recently. It's been like the move has been looking nice, and then it's literally 5 minutes until you knew. You're like, no. You wait like 3 hours for the closure, it gives you it, and it's literally news. You're like, nah. Minute 48 left. Relax my eyes, flashing lights. Yeah, I love this song. This is the song I was listening to in Crete all day. And not alone.
It's a nice song, yeah.
I'm gonna risk a tenner on news for a bit of fun. Wish me luck. Good luck, brother. 30 seconds left. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, Goldie dropping.
That's good. That's good.
Okay, spread getting to 2 pips there on GJ. Watching this number. On this number. Oh!
Look, DJ. Oh my gosh.
My God.
Bye bye.
They set it to 2.5 pips. Not bad. Just moved 40. I am happy. Very nice, George. You take the sell. Sell stop. Sell stop. Break it that low, maybe. And down again. Your currencies work the same way, yeah. Wow, look at that! And every single news that came out this morning on the 15, they didn't make a top wick.
No.
No one there, no one there, no one there. Just push. Going into this order block area, so see how it reacts there. But yeah, I think later on we'll be looking for, again, still GJ buys. Gold, I gotta wait, you know, it's just consolidating in this area now, coming back down. Gotta wait until we break maybe 59. There's a lot of rejection wicks there though, so I'm very cautious with taking sells if I'm honest. I don't want to get caught in the wicks. But yeah, I think overall good stuff. Good morning, good relaxing Monday morning. Discussed, you know, the initial push here, how to maybe got in maybe the 5 minute there, break of the highs, swooping the Asian lows. Then there was an M if people were happy with taking the M. I was not really here, mainly for the fact that we were so bullish. And actually at the resistance, if I actually put on a line here where we actually closed, yeah, I could say it was maybe at resistance. I just had more of a bullish bias. I don't like taking them aggressively on that, but good stuff. So in terms of now, I think the best thing to do is probably wait until we get some more volume in New York. We'll have to see. I'm going to watch GJ here. If this starts to come back up above, you know, 840 after tapping this zone with like a W again, I think the buys could be quite nice to get in earlier today. So that's what I'll wait for in the gap. But for the most part, thank you very much for coming on. We'll see you guys at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. We'll see how price is moving at 12. But yeah, we'll definitely stay on this week later on in the day. You know, see if we can get gold closed at 2 o'clock. In terms of today, is it going to be much of one? Well, there's 245 manufacturing PMI. So gold at 2 o'clock today might be a little bit harder because there is news 45 minutes later. But yeah, good stuff. Thank you so much for coming on, guys. Make sure to stay safe. Only Monday, remember. Don't worry too much about it. There's nothing too much in terms of overall direction at the moment. You know, I would wait on over here. Okay? So thank you so much. See you later, Dennis. See you later, Christian.
Okay, see you later.
Kiko. See you later, Davey. See you later, everyone. Peace out, guys. Thank you very much. Adios, adios.
Okay, adios. Ciao.
See you later. Alligator. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. We'll see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, I'll keep you updated on Instagram if we take any trades later on. So peace out. Adios, adios.